Hello and welcome back to Spanish from Scratch. I'm Eduardo, and if you have been watching my videos, thank you very much. I appreciate it and it motivates me to keep doing these videos. And if you're new to the channel, make yourself comfortable. I hope I can help you speak Spanish faster. This will be the third video of the Subjunctive series in which I will help you or teach you on how to express in Spanish things like I may go to the movies tomorrow, or she maybe is French, or perhaps my dad is at home. So we are going to use the subjunctive in this lesson when you want to express that you are not sure about something in the present or in the future. For this reason, for this uncertainty, it's necessary to use the subjunctive tense. So I promise that by the end of this video, you will be an expert on using these kind of tenses. But without any further ado, let's jump into the whiteboard. Okay guys, so here we are in the whiteboard, and as usual, we're gonna be learning with some examples. I'm going to be explaining all these sentences so you get a better understanding of the sentences. So let's begin with example number 1. And we have Tal vez viaje a Europa el próximo año. Let's repeat that one more time. Tal vez viaje a Europa el próximo año. So let's begin with the word tal vez. Tal vez can either mean maybe, if you say it alone, tal vez, maybe, or it means may when it's before a verb. So in this case we have tal vez viaje. That means I may travel. So we have tal vez, which is the expression of probability, and then we have the verb in subjunctive, viaje. So when we have words that express this uncertainty of probability, like perhaps, maybe, or may, we almost always use the subjunctive in Spanish, and it sounds better. So let's repeat. Tal vez viaje a Europa el próximo año. I didn't hear you guys. One more time. Tal vez viaje a Europa el próximo año. I may travel to Europe the next year, hopefully. Now let's go with example number 2. Quizá mi papá esté en la casa. Let's repeat that one more time. Quizá mi papá esté en la casa. So perhaps my dad is at home. The word quizá is exactly the same as the word tal vez, okay? They both mean maybe, they both mean may. So it says my dad may be at home, or perhaps my dad is at home. So quizá is the expression of probability, and esté is the present subjunctive. So let's repeat that one more time. Quizá mi papá esté en casa. I don't hear you guys. One more time. Quizá mi papá esté en la casa. And let's go with example number 3. Por su forma de hablar, probablemente sea cubano. One more time. Por su forma de hablar, probablemente sea cubano. So, por su forma de hablar, because of his way of speaking, by the way he speaks, probablemente sea cubano. Probably he's Cuban, or he's probably Cuban. So again, probablemente is an expression of probability, saying as quizá or tal vez. And sea is the verb to be in present subjunctive. So probablemente sea. He may be Cuban. So let's repeat the 3 words we have. We have tal vez, quizá, or probablemente. Those are the 3 words I want you to remember from this lesson. Now, let's go with an exercise for this. Now, just let me move my camera so you can read everything. Okay, here we are. So now, we have 2 parts. When we are 100% sure about the things we're doing, about the things in the present, or I know no one can be sure about the future, but when you have something planned for the future to do, we use the indicative form, either the present or the future. For example, I'd say, hoy comeré pizza de pepperoni con jamón. One more time. Hoy comeré pizza de pepperoni con jamón. So today I'll eat pepperoni and ham pizza. As I'm sure that I'm gonna eat it, it's my plan, I say the simple future. Hoy comeré. Today I will eat. But then, I'd say, hoy tal vez coma brownie con helado. Una vez más. Hoy tal vez coma un brownie con helado. So today I may eat a brownie with ice cream. So I'm pretty sure about the pizza. I'm not that sure about the brownie. That's why we need to use different tenses. Now let's go with David. And we have that David ir a la escuela mañana. So we say David irá a la escuela mañana. Sorry, en la mañana, in the morning. So it's David will go to school in the morning. David irá a la escuela en la mañana. That's for sure. But in the afternoon, he may go to the dentist. So we say David quizás vaya al dentista en la tarde. One more time. David quizás vaya al dentista en la tarde. So David may go to the dentist in the afternoon. Now let's go with ellas. And we have ellas hacer la tarea de español mañana. So they will do the Spanish homework tomorrow. So we say ellas harán la tarea de español mañana. One more time. Ellas harán la tarea de español mañana. Again, they are planning to do it. It's for sure in the future, so we use the simple future. Ellas harán, they will do. But now they may do exercise after school. That's not for sure. So we say tal vez hagan ejercicio después de la escuela. One more time. Tal vez hagan ejercicio después de la escuela. So one is 100% sure, one is 50%. Let's take a look at these examples. So we say Luisa will see her mom at 5 p.m. This is for sure, it's planned. So we say Luisa verá a su mamá a las 5 p.m. Otra vez, Luisa verá a su mamá a las 5 p.m. But now, after seeing her mom, she may watch a movie. This is not for sure yet. So we say, y después de ver a su mamá, tal vez vea una película. One more time. Y después de ver a su mamá, tal vez vea una película. Go to the next one. We say, we will have a difficult exam tomorrow. So we say, nosotros tendremos un examen difícil mañana. Otra vez, nosotros tendremos un examen difícil mañana. We'll have a difficult exam tomorrow. And this is not sure, but we may have to study all night. So we say, quizás tengamos que estudiar toda la noche. One more time. Quizás tengamos que estudiar toda la noche. So, tener que, have to, we put it in subjunctive. We may have to. Quizás tengamos que. Let's go with the next one. And we say, ellos viajar a México en verano. They will travel to Mexico in summer. So we say, ellos viajarán a México en verano. One more time. Ellos viajarán a México en verano. That's for sure. But we say that they may stay in a 5-star hotel because they haven't done the reservation yet. So that's why we say they'll probably stay. And we say, probablemente se queden en un hotel 5 estrellas. Let's repeat that one more time. Probablemente se queden en un hotel 5 estrellas. Didn't I promise that after this lesson you will be capable of using the subjunctive for probability? I told you. It's as easy of remembering that when you use the words quizá or probablemente or tal vez, we use a subjunctive afterwards. Also, if you notice, when you're sure about the future, we use the simple future. So if you don't remember that well how to use it, I suggest you watch the video I made about the simple future in Spanish. Now, did you learn it? Is it easier now for you to use these expressions in Spanish? If your answer is yes, then I recommend you subscribe to my channel. You will help me a lot and you will help me get to more people to help them the same way I'm helping you right now. Also remember, I'm a full-time Spanish teacher, so if you want to contact me or you want to take lessons with me, I will put my teacher's profile in the description of this video. So, keep studying Spanish and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.